Hayden, and we are at Fernwood Motel and Campground. So right now we're at the motel part, and the rooms are scattered all around here. There's a shop with, right here, there's a shop with ice cream, and right here is the restaurant. And you have some beautiful outdoor dining as well as the deck in the back of the restaurant. We have beautiful lavender flowers. Here. So, now we're going to take a look at the Fernwood Campground. So, right here there's more rooms scattered around again. And there's two ways down to the campground. Either the roadway down, it's pretty steep, or the stairway down. We're going to take the stairway. Now we are at campground. So we have the office. When you check in, you need to reserve your spot. And also you have some, they came with some tents, but we're not staying in a tent. We brought our own, or we're staying in an RV or van. So you have these nice redwood trees and all these camp areas. They have different numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can reserve whatever number you want if that's available. There's also the bathroom here, and shower rooms. Just a simple shower. And it's a coin-operated shower. So we have these different camper vans or camper trailers. They also come with some fireplaces. So this is place 9. They have a fireplace. At the office you can buy wood for $13. And each slot comes with a bed. So this is our van. You can go check the video up. It's pretty nice. You can check it up from up there. And they all come with power. So you can hook it up to your RV or camper van or camper trailer. And you can have water, have it hook up to your water system. Right here we have the fireplace. This is our fireplace again. And right here we have the nice relaxing river. Really there's cabins on the other side of the river. So there's a bridge right there. Over there. I'm not sure if you can see. If we move on here. Also, you can bring your bikes. It's nice. It's a nice biking area. Nice and fun. We have different numbers like 17. You can see the bridge. We are gonna go across it, and if you go across it, you'll see the cabins, and you'll see a hiking area. That's it. See you.